This is going to be a tutorial on how to create an audio spectrum in Adobe After Effects. This is basically the screen you'll see when you start to work with it. What you'll do is go into Layer, New, Solid, create a new layer. This just fills up the screen, something to have things based on. You would then go to Generate, Audio Spectrum, and you'll have a new spectrum. Now these are all of the settings you'll get to mess with. First thing you do is go to Audio Layer and select the audio that you are going to be using to have the spectrum based off of. For this instance, it'll be Dying Breed, which is going to be an MP3 file or some other audio file. You're going to change the starting and end point if you want to change what part of the audio is being used. Now when selecting path, you can use this to just draw a line that will allow you to have an audio spectrum that's in a weird shape. Starting and ending frequency is basically the 2 points that are representing the spectrum. So the first point is set to 20, so that means that is representing 20 hertz, and the end point would be 2000, which is 2000 hertz. Now when you go to frequency bands, you'll see this affects how many actual bands are in, which will give it different looks depending on how many you have. Maximum height changes the maximum height of it. Thickness, coarse thickness. Softness. Inside color refers to the main color you'll see. And outside color will just kind of add a border to it. Can also blend the colors to make it look better. And hue interpolation. Mess with this, you'll get different colors, kind of as it so it changes as it gets further from the center. These are just more settings as to slightly changing the color. It's stuff you just want to mess around with. And those are all the controls for the audio spectrum itself. You can add more effects onto this and give it more looks, different kinds of looks if you want. But that's basically all you need to know. Just start messing around with it and you'll eventually find what you like.